TVS Training and Services offers world-class welding training. Our welding shop is approved by the Indian Institute of Welding (IIW), the Approved Training Institute (ATI), and the Approved Testing Center (ATC). Our dedicated and experienced welding trainers are certified by the Welding Research Institute (WRI). Here at the TVS Training and Services Welding Shop, we conduct basic and advanced training for SMAW, GMAW, GTAW, resistance spot welding, and brazing. We also conduct a National Welding Training and Certification Scheme (NWTCS) that meets the Indian Institute of Welding Standards. Our trainers also conduct a Welding Procedure Specification (WPS) and Procedure Qualification Record (PQR) section with a Welder Qualification Certification. TVS Training and Services conducts weld tests such as DT, and NDT training programs. Along with customized welding training programs. Participants are also taught about welding defects, their causes and remedial measures with the relevant troubleshooting steps. At the end of the course, participants will be well equipped and highly skilled in their allotted assignments after receiving a boost in their confidence based on their training from TVS Training and Services. TVS Training and Services, an institute with all industrial solutions under one roof.